guys, my name is Raven and welcome to my channel. My YouTube channel is Raven Life and Travel. So if you're new to my channel, please give me a like, subscribe, and click the notification button for more video. And for today's video, we're going to react to Ruel Carino and Wally Bayola singing What a Wonderful World. Sa Bulagaan yata ito guys. So without further ado, let's watch this. So nakakamiss din si Ruel kasi syempre alam niyo naman na lagi ako nagre-react sa mga video ni Ruel. And recently, ito nga, nakita ko lang din to na may parang bago siya, yung What a Wonderful World. So, let's go.
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you.
Diba? Nakakamiss si Ruel, guys. Actually, nakapag-react na ako dito sa kanta niya ng What a Wonderful World. Dito din sa Itbulaga.
And I think to
Pero
myself,
hindi tayo masasawa.
what a wonderful world.
Go, Wally. Actually, guys, sinaalala ko na sa What a Wonderful World, yung ginaya ni Ruel yung boses nung, kumanta talaga, kaboses niya.
I see skies of blue,
Ruel.
clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the dark sacred nights.
Ang dami na namang napapasaya ni Ruel dito, guys.
And I think to myself,
Okay.
what a wonderful world.
Galing nila, guys. Di ba, nakakamiss din. Sana pakantahin sila ng pakantahin. Kasi, di ba, after ng The Broadway Boys, ito pa lang yata yung sumunod. Tama ba ako, guys?
The colors of a rainbow, so pretty in the skies, are also on the faces
Nanay.
of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying,
Ano ba to? Request lang kay Ruel?
how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies cry.
Ay, naku. Kahit pa ulit-ulit ko talaga siya panoorin, guys. Parang gusto ko na lang siya panoorin. Huwag na ako mag-react.
I watch them grow.
Tingnan sila nonoy.
They'll know much more than I'll ever know. And I think to myself, Kiko!
And I think to myself, Kiko. Bali guys, kapag gusto niyo paano panoorin tong video na to yung kompleto, punta kayo sa YouTube account ni Rochelle Pilapil. So, sa kanya tong video na to.
What a wonderful world!
Oh, tayo din ni Wally.
Yes, I think to myself.
Magsasabayan.
Grabe yung boses. I think
Sabayan,
talaga
may blending.
diction.
What a wonderful world.
Rockstar. Oh my God. Ang unti naman ito. Ulitin natin. Ba't ang unti na kanta ni Ruel?
Sige, dito lang.
I
Sige, pero
see
guys, pasensya na.
trees of green,
Go, Ruel.
red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you.
Pag siya talaga yung kumakanta, no, sila bossing at saka yung mga iba, talaga nakikinig lang sila. Tapos parang gusto lang nila namnamin yung mga kanta ni Ruel.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Go! Sana ano talaga, no? Sana kumanta ulit sila ng kumanta. Yung lagi araw-araw pa kantahin si Ruel sa umpis.
I see skies of blue,
Parang sarap na-in love, guys.
clouds of white, the bright blessed day,
Sabi nila, oh.
the dark sacred nights. And I think to myself,
Ano guys, pwede naman kayo. Grabe.
what a wonderful world.
Di ba may concert sila paparating?
The colors of a rainbow, so pretty in the skies
Grabe yung boses
are
niya.
also on the faces of people going by.
Yung boses niya parang amazing talaga, no? Wala siyang ginagawa pero yung lumalabas na boses niya, kala mo gold.
I see friends shaking hands.
Hindi mo na natakma?
saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies cry.
Grabe yung subscribe. Ay, naku, huwag na natin ito tapusin, guys. Akala ko si Ruel.
I watch them grow.
Naiyak tuloy sila nanay.
They'll know much more than I'll ever know. And I think to myself, Kiko,
Go.
what a wonderful world.
Oo, di ba kaya rin iiwali?
Hindi ko matching ah.
Actually, lahat sila dyan, napaka-talented nila lahat. Kahit ano ipakanta sa kanila, nakakanta nila.
Yes, I think to myself,
Magsasabayan. Sabayan. May blending.
what a wonderful
Ano ba yun? Pag-awali mo tayo. Grabe yung boses na gano'n, no? Yung ginagrowl niya talaga. Grabe yung control ng boses niya. Amazing talaga to si Ruel. And syempre, as always, wala naman ako masabi pag ito yung kumakanta. Kasi nasabi ko nga, maganda yung boses niya. And given naman na yun, at alam ko na maganda rin yung pagkakanta niya. So, what else? Again, hanggang dito lang yung video natin. Kung di ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel ko, please do subscribe to my channel. Click the notification button for more video. And again, my name is Raven. Bye-bye! Ulitin ko pa.
world.